Convert, transpose, dataframe lists to columns. I have a pandas dataframe that has a list of values inside a cell. I need to convert these values into columns containing true or false if the column value is inside the list for that row. I need a column for every unique value inside every row's list. This is my dataframe. To create the initial dataframe. Then I tried. And it outputs this. But it's not what I want because the columns are not aligned. I need something like this.
From Sklern Multi-Label Binarizer.
You can clean up, modify your data if you do not like to import from Sklern. Preprocessing import multilabel binarizer for this. Output.
Another solution, just using pandas. Output.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.